Newton's third law of motion. This is one of the very famous law among three Newton's laws of motion. According to this law, to every action, there is always equal and opposite reaction. Look at this is Newton's third law of motion. To every action there is always equal and opposite reaction. I want to highlight these two words, action and another is what? Reaction. What are these two terms? Actually, according to this law, force never exists single. It always appears in pair. One of them is called action, another is called reaction. Action and reaction both involves in pair. The force which acts on a body, just for example, if a body exerts force on the another body, that is called action. And because of this action, the second object also produces another force, that is called reaction. But here look at this, its direction is opposite. Action and reaction both are forces and they always exist in pair. And another point, they have equal magnitude and they act in opposite direction. And actually what we are talking about the property of force. It means Newton's third law of motion gives the property of force. First law gives us the definition of force, second law gives the measurement of force, and third law gives the property of force. And we can take example also. Just for example, if a book is lying on the table, let's say, then what can we say? The force which the book apply on the table is called action. If it is applying 10 Newton force, then 10 Newton is the action force. And because of this action force, the same amount of force, same magnitude of force, the 10 Newton force acts on the book by this table, surface of the table. Otherwise, book will break this table and it will go down. That's why this 10 Newton force applied by the table on the book is reaction force. Wherever a force acts on a body, then the second one also exerts the same amount of force on the first body, and first one is called action and the force exerted by the second one is called reaction. Both of them always, force never exists single, it always exists in pair. Both of them have equal magnitude, but they act in the opposite direction. This is the meaningful understanding of what? Newton's third law of motion.